Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a pocket-sized movie studio with a simple app called Grok AI. This AI is the latest creation from XAI, Elon Musk's team. With it, you can make a video just by typing a sentence or giving it a photo. Videos that look like they came straight from the future. For example, you type, "show a dog skateboarding," or "turn my coffee into a rocket," and boom, your video is ready in seconds. Now here's the really cool part. It has 4 different modes. Normal, for simple stuff. Fun, when you want it to be funny. Custom, where you can add your own details. Spicy, well, you try that one yourself. I won't say anything. So if you used to spend hours editing for YouTube or Insta, now all you do is say, "Grok, make a video," and done. Grok Imagine basically turns your phone into a magical video-making machine. Perfect for YouTubers, content creators, or anyone who just wants to have fun. So if you want to start making next-level videos today, go try Grok right now. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment below to tell me what's the first video you'll make with Grok.